guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today is Vlogmas day 1. So what it means is that I'll be vlogging every day till 25th of December. That's what Vlogmas is. So guys, hey, please stay tuned, watch my videos, like, share, subscribe, please. And happy new month to you all. Basically, what am I doing today? I'm going to work. So let's go to work together. Wow, you really need to see this view, this decoration, guys. Oh wow, this is Xmas in Lagos. Christmas is already happening in Lagos, guys. See the decoration at Eco Roundabout. It's so beautiful. Just take a look and enjoy the view.
Let's see. Let's see.
So that you don't feel like it's you I'm recording.
I just call you.
No. I want to eat and I want to refuel myself and then get back to work. This is homemade rice. Hey, things are very expensive now in Lagos, so you don't want to be spending so much on lunch or breakfast. So I always make my food and bring it to work. So, and this tastes really nice. This jollof rice with pieces of fried fish.
Open my eyes out, make her they see ya. Make her face my front. Make her body no use me just run. Make mother no stay my clothes. Oh my advantage every time I go. Cause now only that way they set my cause. In my own as I run my run.